Grocery salmon for $7. Let's make some sushi. You know it's good when all these aunties are crowding over it. This is Atlantic farmed and meets the exception for safety by the FDA. First, it passes a smell test. No obvious signs of spoilage, but there is significant miware or broken body in it. We also have a new cutting board today, so let's give it a try. This does come with the skin, so I cut the tail notch and we're going to skin it. The skin we can save for some fried treats. Let's clean up some of the scales. There's some miware. As usual, we're going to cut it into 6 different saku blocks. Here's probably the best part. This is the belly and the more firmer loins. Nice. Let's get to the curing process. We're doing a combination of salt and sugar. You're going to use just enough salt to cover the surfaces. This is a combination of osmosis and diffusion. This will greatly enhance texture and flavor. We could stop here, but adding sugar will amplify the curing process while rounding out the flavors. Make sure to be generous and cover all 6 sides. And don't worry, we're going to be washing this off, so the glycemic index load is minimal if any. Into the fridge for 45 minutes.
A few minutes later.
After 45 minutes, the fish should be darker and also more firmer. We're going to do a 2-stage wash. You can also wash under a running stream in the sink. If your end product ends up being very salty or sweet, that means you're not washing it well enough. Once thoroughly washed, we're going to pat these dry. Beautiful orange pink with a nice firm texture. We'll save the belly piece to eat. The rest we're going to vacuum seal for a long-term experiment. These will go in the freezer and let's revisit it maybe a month or 2 or maybe a year from now. Let's prepare the belly. This is not frozen at all. Trim off the red flesh. Long, thin slices. This looks beautiful. Let's have a taste. I'm whispering because baby is taking a nap. By the way, check that out. Thank you everybody for your support. It wouldn't be possible without you. First piece, always on its own. Smell test. The beautiful thing about the curing process, it gets rid of that fishiness, at least in the smell wise. Melt in your mouth. Flavor is great. Soy sauce wasabi. Wow. 4-year-old soy sauce. So flavorful. To mix it up, chogochujang. This is the Korean spicy and sweet sauce. As far as sashimi goes, I might like this one more, but it changes day to day. You can't mess with the classic, but the Korean way is just so unique too. Just serve one of both. Or layer of the skin, this little silvery skin, totally fine to eat. It tastes great. Frozen ones, let's go ahead and take it to 1 month and 2 months. Vacuum seal this should prevent freezer burns. Thank you for watching. Thank you again for all of your support. Thanks everybody.